Hello, I'm Jennifer. I can be your teacher. This is our time together. In our lesson today, let's talk about possessive adjectives. My, your, his, her, its, our, their. These words answer the question, whose. What is the difference between who and whose? Who asks about a person. Who is that? That's me. It's an old photo. Who are they? Those are my students, Flavia and Andrea. Whose asks about possession or belonging. Whose phone is this? It's my phone. It belongs to me. Whose phone is this? It's not my phone. In English, we have subject pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. These pronouns answer the question who. They can be the subject of a sentence. I am a teacher. You are a student. He is fun. She is smart. It is interesting. We are happy. They are athletes. Possessive adjectives answer the question whose. My, your, his, her, its, our, their. We use possessive adjectives before a noun. My phone, your car, his house, her cat, its tail, our books, their store. Note, the possessive adjective its is for things or animals, but with pets, animals we love, animals that live with us, we usually know if it's a boy or a girl, male or female. If you know, you can use his or her. Practice with me. Use the correct possessive adjective. I'm Jennifer, and this is my YouTube channel. Hi, I'm Jennifer. What is your name? I live with my 2 children. This is our dog. Percy is a girl. This is her favorite toy. These are our frogs. They live in an aquarium. This is their home. The frogs belong to my son. They are his frogs. We call the frogs solar and lunar. Solar is big and light in color. Lunar is a little different and its color is darker. Do you like learning English together? Please like and subscribe to my channel. turn on your notifications. Thank you. Let's practice the pronunciation of the possessive adjectives. Repeat after me. My, your, his, her, its, our, their. In sentences, we usually stress the noun, not the possessive adjective. Repeat after me. This is my bike. This is your present. Notice how your can sound like your. This is your present. That's his sister. That's her brother. That's our father. Note how our can sound like our. That's our father. Those are their parents. Note how their can sound like their. Those are their parents. Sometimes the stress can change. When we want people to understand clearly, we can stress possessive adjectives. Listen and repeat. Here's your phone. That's not my phone. Jack is looking for his phone. I think that's his phone. Please move your car. I'm sorry, but my car is across the street. Whose car is this? I don't know. I'm sorry. For more practice, answer these questions in the comments. What color are your eyes? Think of a good friend. What is your friend's name? Do you know his or her favorite color? Do you know your neighbors? What are their first names? That's all for now. I hope you enjoyed our lesson. Thanks for watching and happy studies.